This is like a park and like a beach, a mini beach, a park as well. It's a very good place to be. Is outside of Winnipeg though, Manitoba. Is a really, really good place to be with your friends, family, come hang out and all that. I love the place. I love the environment. Beautiful.